A 胶 B 胶，对吧
？Just mix the glue.
A 胶 B 胶。
Type A and Type B.
先把这个放上去。
First, we put the standard weight on the waiter.
这个是放胶的胶管。
And this is a tube for mixing glue.
清零。
Reset to 0.
然后调胶，我们进行调一个5克。
About 5 grams.
好，对，这个5.2，对吧
So now the final type A we put inside is 5.21 grams.
大胶小胶10比1的比例。
Type A to Type B is 10 to 1.
这个是大的5.2，小的就是0.52。
So the Type B should be 0.5 gram.
清零。
Reset. Okay, now we got the 0.5 grams, 0.5 gram Type B. We find a tool to mix the glue by hand first.
搅拌胶水，把这个
To mix the Type A and Type B together.
A 胶跟 B 胶一定要搅拌均匀。大概30秒。
About 30 seconds, we mix it by hand.
我们重新来称重量。
Now we weight again.
12是吧
The total weight is 12.2 grams.
放在这个脱包机上。
We put inside the centigrade machine.
可以用水代替，这个也要一样的重量，一样的重量。
We inside the machine we have to put 4 tubes totally, and the other tubes, since we don't need so many glue, so we can use water instead. The weight of the 4 tubes must be the same.
4个一致是为了保持平衡。
We put 4 inside the machine to make the mixing balance.
第一个是胶水。
As you can see inside, the first tube have glue inside. The
其他
other
3
3
个是
are
水。
water.
水。一样重量可以保持平衡，然后
Make sure the weight are all the same. Then we can start the machine to do the mixing.
然后这里呢是调这个时间，调
Now we set the time. This is the time setting.
15分钟
15 minutes.
，2000转。
And the speed is 2000 RPM.
这个是根据那个胶水的多少来设定时间。
The time we set according to the quantity of the glue.